Hello, my name is Logan, and I am a photographer for LC Industries. Because I travel a lot for my work, I've been asked to make a short video to explain how to use your electric and electronic devices while traveling abroad. It can seem complicated and difficult at times, but with a few tips can really be quite simple. Here's an easy procedure for how to travel abroad with anything that has a plug. The first step is to gather all electronics or electric appliances that you plan on taking with you on your trip. Now look at the countries you will be visiting. Most different countries have a foreign plug pattern. LC Industries provides a list of voltage and plug patterns online, but it's best to check with the source countries to find the correct information. Sometimes, in even one city, there can be two separate plug patterns. Now that you know the foreign plug pattern, you can decide if and which adapters you will be needing. An adapter simply adapts the plug that you have to the plug pattern you will be using. LC Industries provides a full line of adapters. They come as individual adapters for single countries and areas, or come as multi-adapters with different plug sets that match most common plugs. There are even some that come along with a USB port to charge phones and other peripheral devices, along with your main plug port. Most of your appliances will run off of that simple adapter. However, you need to check to make sure that you do not need a converter. We in North America and a few other countries run between 100 and 127 volts, while other countries run between 220 and 240. Most modern electronics are dual voltage and can handle those higher and the lower powers. Here's how to check your devices to see if they can work with foreign outlets. Take your devices and look for the listed voltage and wattage. It's usually listed on the back or bottom of the device. This is my camera battery charger. If you look on the back, it has listed 100 to 240 volts. That means this is made to work anywhere in the world with a simple adapter. If your device only has 120 volts listed, then you will need a transformer or a converter. Transformers are used on electronics and items with electronic features, while personal electric appliances, anything with a simple motor or heating unit, can be used with a converter or a transformer. Converters and transformers come with the European standard plug pattern and can be adapted to fit any foreign outlet. Pick the converter or transformer that matches the wattage listed on the back or bottom of your device next to the voltage. In this situation, it's listed as 23 watts. However, many items, including my battery charger, will not have watts listed. It's an easy formula to figure it out. Amps times volts equals watts. So, 0.21 times 100 and 0.115 times 240 will give the wattage range, which is 21 watts to 27.6 watts. And always make sure to check your printed information and the owner's manual before using any items abroad. Here are a few things to know. If you're traveling with a flat iron, check the owner's manual. Most flat irons do not work with a transformer or a converter. It's best to buy one that is dual voltage for travel purposes or buy one in the destination country. Because electronic frequency is often slower in other countries, clocks and other devices may run slower. Because of that, it is best to use for timekeeping a clock powered by a battery, your watch, or the alarm clock provided in your hotel room. Also, medical and industrial equipment should never be used with travel converters or adapters. Always check with the manufacturers of those devices for proper use in other countries. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact customer support.